Okay, let's do a special angle one here, right? Okay, so let's figure out the downward. The downward force is 17 times 9.81. 17 times 9.81. 166.77. All right, and then there's D, which is, so C has got these components like this. And then it's got a vertical component, and then it's got itself, right? Wangy. Right, so this hypotenuse is C. This is C cos 38. This is C sine 38. This guy is positive and in the y direction. This guy is negative and in the x direction. And then D is just, all of it is in the x direction. These guys, by the way, are congruent, right? They have to be because they're the only thing in the x direction. Right? So this is positive D. Just positive D in the x direction, right? There's no angle because that angle is 90 degrees, right? All right. Okay, so are we ready? I think we're ready. So in the x direction, we've got opposite of C cos 38 plus D is 0, right? So this guy to the left plus that guy to the right is 0. And in the y direction, this is not solvable. We have two unknowns, one equation, right? Let's look at the y direction. In the y direction, we've got plus C sine 38 minus 166.77 is 0. And since D is purely horizontal, there's no D in here. That makes this equation just solvable. Okay, so that guy divided by sine 38 is equal to 270.87. So C is equal to 270.879. Right? So we got a solution for C. Now let's plug it into this one. So for X, we've got the opposite of 270.879. I'm just plugging in for C, right? Times the cos of 38 plus D equals 0. Well, that's easily solvable, right? D is just this times this, right? So that times cos 38 is 213.45. So these are newtons, right? Now, you can just double check. Let's just double check this, right? I've got these two numbers. Let's just plug it in. It's not going to hurt me, right? So the opposite of C, boom, cos 38 plus D, which is just this number. I found that number, right? That should equal 0. And indeed, what it's saying is it's 2.5 times 10 to the minus 8th, which means it's like some of the digits on the end of the calculator, but it's essentially 0. Let's just try this one. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to plug in the C, which is at 270, boom, sine 38 minus, whoops, parenthesis, minus 166.77. That should be 0. And again, that's just a very, very small number, so it's essentially 0. All right.